Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School. Though we have completed our chapter 6 and 7, and today we will discuss about chapter 6 worksheet. Everyone take your term 1 worksheet. In that, take the chapter 6 leaves of the plant. So first one, take your pencil and mark the correct option. First one, the flat broad part of the leaf. It is called leaf blade. So underline the option B. Which of the following is not a raw material required by plants for photosynthesis? So carbon dioxide, water, light. So these three are essential things. So only the oxygen is not a raw material. Underline the option A. Third question. This is the modified root that stores the food. So which is the modified root? It is a carrot. Underline the option B. Fourth one, these plants has leaves modified to trap insects. So which is the plant? It is called as a pitcher plant. Underline the option D. Fifth one, this is the thick vein that runs through the center of the leaf. It is called as a midrib. The middle thick vein, it is called as a midrib. Second one, write true or false for the following. Petioles are the tiny pores on the underside of the leaf. So which is the tiny pore? It is a stomata. So the statement is false. Second one, the veins carries the water prepared by the leaves. Yes, of course, the vein carries the water. It is a true. Third one, the plant take in oxygen to make the food. What did the plants take? It will take the carbon dioxide. So, the statement is false. Fourth one, the process by which green leaves use light to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. It is called photosynthesis. Yes, the statement is true. Fifth one, parts of the plants are specially modified to store the water. So, parts of the plants are modified to store the food. So, the statement is false. Then, C. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Dash cannot make their own food. So, consumers cannot make their own food. Plants use dash to prepare glucose during the photosynthesis. What did the plant use? It uses the carbon dioxide. Third one, dash is the star food of the plant. Which is the food of the plant? It is a glucose. Fourth one, dash and water vapor are removed from the plant. So plants need carbon dioxide, but what is removed? Oxygen is removed. Fifth one, in many plants, the leaf is attached to the stem with a dash. How the leaf is attached? Mainly by the petiole. Then give two examples. Products that are removed from the plant. What are the products? Oxygen, water, vapor. Second one, two plants that have modified the parts to store the food. Carrot and potato. Third one, raw materials necessary for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and sunlight. Then E, name the following. It makes the leaf appear green and helps them to absorb light during photosynthesis. It is a chlorophyll. Second one, the process by which the green leaves use light to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. So it is a photosynthesis. Third one, organisms that can make their own food. They are producers. Fourth one, organisms that cannot make their own food. They are consumers. Food is stored in different plant parts in this form. It is called as a starch. Then short answers. First one, what are stomata, where it is located. So the tiny pores, where they are present, on the underside of the leaves. Here only the exchange of gases will take place. So stomata are tiny pores present on the underside of the leaves. Here the exchange of gases, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange, take place. Second question, define photosynthesis. So it is the process by which the green leaves use light to convert carbon dioxide and water into the food. Okay, the process of converting the light to carbon dioxide and water into food. It is called photosynthesis. Third one, why do leaves of many plants appear green in color? Because due to the presence of a special substance called chlorophyll. Write any one function of a leaf. As you all know, the green leaf, it is a kitchen of the plant. It makes the food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Fifth one, from where do the plants take in water? How do the plants take water? By means of their root. So the water is carried by means of the stem to the leaves. Define food chain. What is a food chain? How the different organisms are dependent on each other. It is called as a food chain. Then long answers. So as you all know, these questions are present on the textbook itself. Okay, I'm just giving the answers. How the plants and animals are interdependent. As you all know, the green plants are producers. They prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare their own food. Okay, so directly or indirectly they depends upon the plants. What the green plants will do? It give out oxygen and animals take that oxygen. What the animals will do? They give out the carbon dioxide and that carbon dioxide is taken by the plants. So by these ways, these two are interdependent to each other. Second question, how is food used and stored in plants? So the food, how they are stored? By means of the glucose. Okay, the glucose produced after as food is sent to different parts of the plant by means of the stem, and some of the food is used by the plant and some they are stored in the form of the starch. So third one, the same questions. Describe the interdependence of plants and animals. The same first question. Plants are producers, they prepare their own food and they give oxygen. Animals are consumers, they cannot prepare their food and they give out carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is taken by the plants. And then fourth one, describe the functions of a leaf. The same I have written. The green leaf is the kitchen of the plant. It makes the food for the plant by photosynthesis. Some plants have the leaves that are modified to store the food. And then logical questions. In what form does the potato plant store its extra food? By means of the starch. If you put a few drops of iodine in a cut potato, what you will observe? You know, the potato, it contains the starch. If you add the iodine, it will turn bluish black in color. If bluish black is there, the potato has starch. If that color is not there, there is no starch. Okay, so here the potato contains the starch, so the color will be bluish black. Second one, the leaves of the plant kept in the dark do not produce the starch. Why? So plants need sunlight to prepare the food, but in the dark room sunlight is not there, so it cannot prepare their food. Third question, a yellow leaf cannot prepare food. Why? The yellow plant cannot prepare their food because the main substance, that is the chlorophyll, is absent in the yellow plant. And the fourth question, it is a homework for you. Just find the answer. We will discuss afterwards. See you kids. Bye bye.